Hi everyone! Today we'll explain another important part of ticket management in Zendesk and walk you through how to assign tickets correctly. Starting from the home page, here you can see your tickets, but we need to go to the Views tab. This is where all the tickets are organized based on their status or specific conditions. We need a view of unassigned tickets to see all requests that haven't been assigned to any agent yet and need to be handled. Click on the new ticket you want to assign. This will open the full ticket view where you can see customer details and a message. On the left side, look for the assignee field. Click on it to find the agent you want to assign the ticket to. If your team works in groups, you can select a group first, assign it to the whole group, or select a specific agent. You can also click Take It to assign the ticket to yourself. Once you've selected the assignee, click Submit as Open to save the ticket. Now the ticket is officially assigned and routed to the right person. To save time, you can use triggers or automations to assign tickets automatically based on conditions like keywords, customer type, or priority. And there's another useful option. With proactive campaigns, you can assign tickets to different agents automatically during email campaigns. You simply create a CSV file with columns like assignee and assignee group, and define which agents or groups should handle each future ticket. Then you upload the file while setting up the email campaign. Once the campaign goes live, each created ticket is automatically assigned to the right agents based on your setup. And that's it. This helps keep your workflow organized and ensures every ticket reaches the right person without delays. Subscribe to the Growth channel for more useful videos like this.